In today's video, we have a caterpillar going up against my fly traps, and this caterpillar is a particular garden pest called a cutworm. Some of my traps are just coming out of winter dormancy, so they're more susceptible to pests. This video is actually filmed at night. By day these things are basically invisible, but by night they turn into a tiny agricultural menace that can snip plants at their source, destroy their roots and create havoc. Being a weakened trap, this plant struggles to deal with this prey. Some of the smaller traps, newly formed ones, are quicker and are able to grab the cutworm. Using its powerful muscular body, it manages to crawl free. But I zoom in anyway for a quick macro of this slimy caterpillar. As you can see from this video, there are some traps on this plant that would be capable of catching this caterpillar. Giant ones, although a lot are closed from the dormancy, some are ready and waiting. Can it be caught? Being a more nocturnal creature, this is startled by my filming light, escapes the plant. I turn the light off, turn it back on and it reappears. This trap's distorted from being in dormancy, but manages to grab the cutworm anyway. And once again it thrashes and twists, trying to escape. After the previous capturing that trap and quickly escaping, the cutworm thrusts and thrashes around. I wonder if it's going to end up in this large trap it's next to. As it's a bit slower, it gives me a chance to zoom in at the detail in this interesting creature. As I zoom in, you can see those tiny hairs it uses as sensors to detect its environment around itself. Once again, the creature springs to life, starts trying to hide away from my filming light, digging itself underneath traps and exploring the mossy regions of the plant. But finally, this creature moves its way across the pot, drops off the edge and returns to the soil just outside my den, my Venus flytrap room, one day to turn into a moth.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.